On this new Rev portal powered by the Accountant General of the Federation, when you get here, when you click Pay Now, I advise you opt for Credo e-transact and opt for bank transfer. When you are paying, then click continue so that when there are issues, you can easily trace your transaction. You click yes, understand. On this account, you just go over to your bank and your preferably your money point or OPay. You enter your account details. Your account, the auto-generated account. The reason why this bank transfer is preferable so that when there is a network glitch and it affects your payment, you can have concrete evidence to send to the payment gateway owners and both CAC so that it will be easy for them to trace your transaction. It will be easy for them to trace your transaction, and don't ever forget to pay lesser than what is there. Don't pay above what is there as a response due. So you just continue and so as you can see, once the payment is done, it auto generates immediately. So that's it. So thereafter you click continue.